So having the samus here is working though, but it's draining very, very slowly. Bearings are gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean the filter. Okay, so if I can. Here we go, the fascia. And then let's try it by hand. There's no chance. Okay. A little bit of water dripping down. Not a lot. Putting the, oh god, that's a lot. That's a lot. Now, that's a lot. You don't want to get all these dirty water on your hands. So you might just use the clippers. That's actually clean water, isn't it? Very clean, actually. It's very clean. So now, you just want to look for a treasure. And in this case, you don't have any treasures. But maybe a draining pump here. He's got stuck. And in this case, it seems in good shape. Now, there might be some grime in here, but that's basically normal. So yeah, you might want to run this under the tap just to make sure there's nothing. Some kind of coins in here, nothing. So this is it, how to clean it. Then you just put it back, screw it. That wasn't aligned correctly. No, still not. I don't know how you should align this. Oh, one of those should go like that. And then, no, this is impossible. So, maybe these. No, no. Should I put it back? Either way, I'm gonna figure it out. So, give me a second. Okay, so right now is the moment that I figured it out. It has like an indicator, and that should be up aligned with this. This is aligned too. So yeah, I figured it out. Now what you want to do is just put the fascia back. It has some clips. Those are needing to be, just in their slots. Putting the fascia again. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I will do more tomorrow, like another tailed filter, but for now I just wanted to see if there's any treasure inside. Actually, I see money. There's a treasure, guys. I'm gonna get it.